So here's the part two. We replaced the inlet valve and it's working, and we've run it a couple times today and it's just fantastic, running really well. Here's the old inlet valve. I started taking it apart. I thought I would just show you what was going on in there. There's the valve. This is the solenoid here, and there's two power. You got the positive and negative there, and that's what opens and closes the solenoid, which allows the water to come in and then go out on this side. So interestingly, I started pulling this out, and look at that. That is a little bit nasty. Let's see if I can pull it all the way out. Okay, a little bit more. Now you can see why maybe there was some cavitation. That is nasty. So I guess that's it. I'm just going to say that was not... I suppose I could have taken it off and cleaned that, actually, and not bought a $60 piece, and maybe it would have all worked just fine. That's a question I'll leave to the comments if anybody ever watches this. It sure does seem like you could have pulled that out and cleaned it off and put it back in. The seat down there doesn't look too bad, and the O-ring looks fine. So maybe 10 years from now, that's what I'll do. I'll pull the new one out, clean it off, and put it back in. Thanks everybody. Hope this was a fun little exploration. Bye.